पाकिस्तान ने ड्रोन हमलों को खुद मुख्तारी की खिलाफ वर्जी करार देते हुए अमरीका को वाज़ेह पैगाम दिया है कि ड्रोन हमले बर्दाश्त नहीं किए जाएंगे। दफ्तर खारजा इस्लामाबाद में हफ्तावार प्रेस ब्रीफिंग के दौरान तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा नफीस ज़िक्रिया ने गुज़िश्ता दिनों होने वाले अमरीकी ड्रोन हमले की मज़म्मत करते हुए कहा,
Earlier, during last few days, Indian occupation forces had martyred 8 Kashmiris and injured over 200, including dozens with pellets and bullets after Indian forces used brute force on defenseless Kashmiris in Srinagar, Sopore, Pulwama, Shopian, Kulgam, Islamabad, Hajin, Kupwara areas. Over 50 political detainees in Kathua jail, Jammu are in life-threatening conditions and not allowed to receive relatives. World human rights organizations, Kashmiri organizations, etc. should send fact-finding missions to IOK. Now this detention is in addition to the continued detention of the Hurriyat leaders.
तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा का कहना था,
Kashmiris in IOK who were celebrating Pakistan's victory in the final of ICC Championship on June 18 against India were beaten up and tortured by the Indian occupation forces. Indian troops barged into houses in Shopian, Kulgam, Bandipora and Pampore areas and vandalized property and repeatedly subjected the inmates to ruthless torture. This is highly deplorable. This Eid, while we celebrate with our loved ones, we must remember oppressed Kashmiris in IOK.
तर्जुमान दफ्तर खारजा नफीस ज़िक्रिया ने मजीद कहा,
Foreign Affairs Advisor Mr. Sartaj Aziz has written letters to the UN Secretary General, President of the UN Security Council, UN Human Rights Commissioner in Geneva to update them, and the OIC Secretary General to update them on the human rights violations perpetrated by the Indian forces in IOK and the despicable episode of a Kashmiri, Farooq Ahmed Dar, who was tied to the jeep as a human sheep.
नफीस ज़िक्रिया ने आलमी बरादरी से मकबूजा कश्मीर में भारतीय मज़ालिम का नोटिस लेने का मुतालबा करते हुए कहा,
He initially took charge. He had actually said that he would like to resolve the issue of Kashmir. And I think this was repeated again in March when his spokesperson was responding to one of the people from media, to the question from media. I've seen that statement where he has mentioned that he has raised this issue of situation in this part of the world, particularly about Kashmir, with the Prime Minister. We always welcome such initiatives where the others are, want to resolve the issue of Kashmir or want to mediate in the on the Kashmir issue, because this issue, as you know, that it's a internationally recognized issue. It is on the UN Security Council agenda. It remains unresolved till to date. Its resolutions remain unimplemented, which actually give a promise the right to self-determination to the Kashmiris in Jammu and Kashmir. UN has a responsibility by virtue of those resolutions to resolve this issue. Regional countries have raised their concern on the situation which is developing primarily because of the Indian intransigence and the belligerent posturing of India.
Lotus Lake Towers, a groundbreaking endeavor by Lotus Properties. मुल्की, बैनुल-अक़वामी, समाजी, सियासी, तिजारती, सकाफती, तफरीही, मालूमाती और खेलों से जुड़ी हर छोटी बड़ी खबर का मरकज TNN TV।